How to fix connection lost in Ubisoft Connect. So from the error message itself, it is actually referring to your current connection, whether if you're using a local area network, which is the LAN cable directly from your modem to your PC, or using Wi-Fi. So to troubleshoot this, just simply power off or power cycle your current modem by plugging out directly from the power outlet, plugging it back in, and just simply restart the game or restart your PC. Now, once you fully started it over, all you have to do next is just to simply check or run a bit of a speed test before you do any games on Ubisoft Connect. You also need to make sure before starting any game from Ubisoft Connect, make sure that you have at least maximum signal bars that you have on your current network so that you will not encounter any glitches or loss of connection. And that's it. That's how you troubleshoot lost connection in Ubisoft.